Morning everyone! Today we're going to be drawing shapes, turning them into 3D shapes with a 1-point perspective. So this 1 point is where all the shapes disappear into. So let's get started. You will have a square piece of paper, a ruler, and a pencil to start. So right in the middle, the best you can do, you're going to draw a dot. Now I'm going to draw kind of dark so you guys can see better, but you will do this dot much lighter. The next thing you're going to do is draw shapes around your paper. Draw them pretty close to the edge, not too close to the dot. These can be any shapes. Geometric shapes are going to work a little bit easier. So I'm going to start with a triangle. Okay, turn my page. And this one's going to be kind of like, almost like a trapezoid. I'm kind of making them up. A diamond, maybe a square or a rectangle. Now, if you would like to do the rainbow or the color wheel, you're going to draw 6 shapes all the way around. So you can do red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. 1, 2, 3, 4. I guess I'll do it for this one. I'm going to do 2 more. You can do an oval or a circle. I'll show you how to do that one. And then over here, I think I'm just going to have a triangle. So I have space for another one, but I'm going to stick with 6 shapes for rainbow order. Okay, let me show you. All my shapes all the way around my paper, closer to the edge than the dot. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with one shape and I'm going to find the little corners. So I have 1, 2, 3. This one has 3 corners. This is kind of like when we drew 3D letters. This one does have a corner, but if I were to draw a line through it, that edge would be hiding. So I'm going to line up the dot with this corner here. Using my ruler, line it up, the corner and the dot, and you draw a line. My next one, line it up with the dot and draw a line. Next one, like that. Okay, keep going. When you have a circle or an oval, it doesn't have like corners exactly, but it does have the edge here and here. And I'm going to line it up with the dot. So the edge and the dot like that. Okay. Next. Once you get the hang of it, it goes pretty quickly. Corner, line it up with the dot, the 1 point, right? All the edges of these shapes are disappearing into the 1 point. It's called 1-point perspective. So this triangle here, there is a corner here, as you can see, but I don't need to draw through my shape, so I skip that and move on to the next one. Ta-da! So I have all my shapes, all my lines going into the dot. Now I'm ready to color. So the way that I colored for the rainbow, I traced my lines with a marker and I colored inside with a crayon. Now I did rainbow order, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, and I used a black crayon to color in my background, starting dark and getting lighter as I get to the edge. If you would like to color a different way, go ahead. This is going to be your creative 1-point perspective.